Hi.
Hi.
Making a little set. Whee! It's 2026 New Year's. This is, and if you don't want to watch it, please. If you don't want to, just, this is the number. You can't see it, but when you see the number, go to the website. ¿Dónde dice la website? The website? Where do you see the website?
Continue.
Oh, aquí. The website, and then put in the number, and then it'll show a manual. Well, if you don't want to do that, too lazy, just watch. What's this?
I can help you.
You
I
can't.
can.
La verdad que lo más que ya se vio tú. Ay, ahora ya no busca.
It says finger.
Di que tú estás aquí con tu mamá, tu abuela.
I'm here with my mom.
More louder. Hi.
I'm here with my grandma. Oh, move my leg. Make sure. Okay, well, mommy, put us on me. There's more. Yay! Some of them are open. Guys, how do we get this?
Mira,
Qué
para la
bueno.
instrucción. Déjalo todo junio. Para la instrucción.
Okay. First one. La primero. We need the person from el número uno. ¿Dónde está la? ¿Dónde está la? Okay. First, you're gonna open number one. You can't really see it because
Sorry, esa botón. No tenemos que salir todo. Ok, suave que se vira. Uy.
yo coge la.
No, quédate aquí. Ya, ya. Apúrate que el video no, va a ser de 500 horas.
Okay. Now
We use this.
No, wrong shirt. Estos shirts.
One of this.
I need the camera. Where's la camera? This is the camera.
Okay, I do this, okay?
And if you can notice, I got a new haircut. You probably won't notice because I barely do IRL videos on hits. I need the head. This is the hair. This is the hair. This is the face. No, it's. Oh my god, it's young and old. Head.
Pero apúrate, mija. Yo estoy haciendo esto. Is two person?
Sí, dos personas. Yo hace dos personas. Está haciendo las personas. It's young and old. Okay.
And you don't put the camera to him? You need to put the camera?
No, yo hace la ficha.
You need to hurry up.
I shall cast
Yo
a
la puse
spell
ahí.
on you. Bippity boppity boo. Okay. No, you put it.
¿Qué yo hice este?
¿Haz this?
¿Este? Dale, apúrate.
Okay. You do this, and then you turn it. This. I'm gonna fix you guys for then
Dios
you see
mío,
closer.
Nelson.
Fix it for then they see closer. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Mama. Now you can see it better.
It's too close. Okay, dale.
Okay.
The first we put this. I do that, and now I do this too.
Ahora esto.
Okay.
And then you gotta put this.
You put on the right way.
See?
Okay. Now
Now we need this,
here.
and we need a ramp.
Only one. Only one.
Sí, yo coge uno. Y esto yo sabe dónde.
Ahí. No, ahí no. A ver. Oh yes, here.
Look like this.
One more. Okay. One more. On the top.
On the top? Oh, it's a leaf.
Yes, look like a flower.
It looks, yeah, it is a flower.
Come
Oh
on.
yeah, it's on cam.
Now,
It's on tripod.
mira.
Yo guys, it's a tripod.
No, this is for the flowers. Come on. Bring here on the flowers.
Oh, it is. And then
Now put in the little
they're
flowers.
going to petals.
Mira.
No, yo quiero hacerlo, yo quiero hacerlo, yo quiero hacerlo.
¿A ti, Poche? ¿Poche va por la universidad?
No.
¿Qué pasa?
¿Cómo que no?
Estamos haciendo un video. Esto va aquí adentro. ¿No?
Él me dijo que quería ir a la universidad.
Sí, pero estamos haciendo un video.
Oh.
You're making a video. It's okay, you can talk. ¿Por qué tú haces?
Eso tú tienes que meterlo aquí en el medio.
Okay, first you gotta do this.
Mira, this go inside.
You gotta do this. And then,
You made this first. With this?
oh, I
Mira.
did it wrong.
How many? Two? One or two? Two.
Dos de fardos. Dos fardos.
Two. Okay. How we put? No me deja mirar.
And then you need one of these on the top.
¿Cómo lo pongo? ¿El estrecho para abajo o para arriba?
Tarjeta.
You're doing it wrong. Look, see?
Es que
step by
no
step.
veo. No veo. Son dos,
No
papi.
sabe cómo. No sabe cómo hacer esto y poner esto. And then what do I do? Oh, you put them here. ¿Y qué tú haces con esto?
Eso va ahí. Eso va.
It doesn't click in. It's just supposed to lay around. Because you need space for this too.
Ah, okay.
This goes in too. Oh yeah, I did it wrong. You need to push it.
Mira, I do good.
You need to push it forwards. Oh hello. Oh hello, ma. Ah. And then you do it like this. Hey, it's just 2025. No, 2026 New Year's set. And then, oh, we finished.
This part. Come on. Put it
Okay,
more.
well now we have to put this to the side.
Okay, the pieces. A ver, espérate. Déjalo ahí donde se vea, Nelson. Déjalo aquí donde se vea.
¿Por qué?
Ay, caramba, porque vamos a hacer otro. Go, number two. Get number two. Open number two.
Okay. Now we have to open number 2. Wait, God, I'm gonna go do 2.
I open number two. Papá,
me enseñas después, papi.
que diga hi.
Hi. Hi. How's things going over there?
Ese video.
Hey, why are you doing that?
This is a firework. It's a
Okay, great. Have fun.
okay. I get one of these and two of these.
It's 2026
And-
New Year's song.
I put the green one here.
Green kid?
Green.
No.
Mira.
Oh, tú te vas a hacer. Okay.
Now I put the other one.
Need another one.
Now you need.
Should look like this. And now you, oh my God, Jesus Christ. We need this. Mm. 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 There's no more pieces.
No, you need to. Pass it
Now
back.
you need that.
We need now how many? Two. Two of this.
You just need it.
And this and two of this.
Nos vemos, have fun.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Dad. Wait, did you multiply it? No. See, do you multiply it? Now you need these. And you put them like that. So it should be double layered in one more lane. Did that lock the door?
See, focus
Pretty
here.
sure you did.
Go,
Then you need another one. Another one.
Another pink and
You
two.
need another one. And then you need these. You gotta do the magical trick. Shit. Okay. It should look like this. Double layer. Look like this. And now we need this for what? Oh! So, shit. And be careful where you put it. You gotta be.
Look like a face, you see? Eyes,
It
nose.
does.
Dale, go. Dale eso. See?
Oh wait,
The
wait.
video is too long.
Whoever plays Minecraft understands what this look like. What this looks like. Looks like a chicken.
Go.
Looks like a chicken jockey.
Okay, but the video then is too long. Come on.
Chicken jockey.
Here.
And then we need it. Go.
No, es este. Quita el brazo. No.
Oh, ponle uno piso.
Ese para acá. Ok.
So
Ok,
clean.
pasa la página.
Pasa la página.
I can see it. One of
¿Dónde?
these.
Okay.
Here. Ven.
¿Dónde yo pongo esto? What?
Usa las dos manos. Estas dos.
Yo usé las dos.
Mira cómo va. Mira cómo va.
¿Qué?
A ver. Look like a face. Espérate. Mira que esto está virado. Dale,
Está
pasa la
virado,
página. Pasa la página. Okay. Now you need one.
What
One.
in the world am I looking at? Shit. That's very questionable. Very questionable. Now I need to make this.
Dale, ¿dónde lo vas a poner?
L7. We
Dale. Ay, Dios santo. aquí, en este lado.
L'Oreal.
Aquí, en este lado.
Aquí.
No, lo hiciste al revés. Lo hiciste para el otro lado.
Oh,
Este es del otro lado.
No.
Sí, ahora lo vas a hacer para acá.
It would direct it. Okay, yeah. The thing I said about Minecraft players, this does not look like a chicken jockey. What is this?
Deja de gritar.
Aquí no, pero grita, mi.
Dale, ponlo aquí. Dale, vamos.
Oh, mommy, you did it wrong.
No.
See, it was. You did it wrong.
Entonces tú hiciste mal porque va arriba. Entonces ese, mira Nelson, es así.
I did it right. You put it up, not down. You put it down, not up. Dios santo mío. Why is there a toilet? You guys, there's a toilet.
Dale, vamos.
It's a toilet. Es un toilet.
Pasa. Soy sorry.
Sorry.
Soy sorry, brother. This is not fun. Pasa la hoja. Pasa la hoja. Una sola pasaste. Okay, dale.
Oh my
Ahora,
god, that's a lot. Okay.
3 of
Okay,
this.
give me the pieces. Just give me the pieces.
Sí, te necesito ver. 3 of this.
3 of these.
1.
3 of the
No,
ram.
no, 3 de esta también.
3 de toda mija.
Pero déjame cogerla.
3 de toda.
Ok. Mira. ¿Eh? Hay que armar esta piececita. A ver, yo te ayudo. Una.
No, yo sabe cómo, yo está bien.
Si yo son 3, yo hago una.
Yo sabe cómo, no, yo hace todo lo, yo está bien. Mami, yo hace todo lo, yo está bien.
¿Y cómo te ayudo yo entonces si no hago nada? ¿Eh?
Tú dame lapicitos. Or just do it alone.
No has hecho una y ya yo hice una. Mira.
Didn't
Ah, no, me falta esto.
did it before you. Ya sé. You need to make one of these 3 times. You only made 2, so you're gonna make the 3rd one.
Dale.
It looks like a fancy U. You know what I mean, guys? Okay. Yeah. If you guys made it this far, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to get a lot of subscribers. I'm trying to get monetized.
No toques hablar.
¿Qué
No.
pasa con hablando con monetized?
No.
¿Tú sabes qué monetized means?
Yes, but you don't need to talk about this on video. You say follow for see more content like this. I'm not talking something without sense on the video.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
You don't understand.
Okay.
Energy. Mom doesn't understand what the word monetize means. Monetize means you are like monetized. You get more views quickly and you get more money. You get
Exactly.
money
Not
from
talking
YouTube.
about this on the video. Te lo van a quitar. Go, dale.
No, girl.
No puedes hablar de eso, de dinero, porque te van a quitar, te quitan la cuenta.
No está hablando de dinero. I'm
Ya,
asking, can I
go.
get monetized?
You don't need
Okay,
to talking
monetize,
about the
I'm
money and
happy.
so. Okay. Look pretty, huh?
No, that's the wrong word.
No, it's okay. Pasa la página. Okay, ¿cuánto necesitas esto?
You
2.
can change it.
Look, 2. Yes, you can move. Look
Ew,
like
why
a...
does that look like claws? It looks like claws. No, it actually does.
Okay.
You know what you know what I know. It
Dale,
looks like
2 of
claws.
this. 2 of this.
Do this. both
Yeah.
edges. Now, let's in round. Cuando tú no sabes qué yo estaba diciendo, I'm not.
Ya no hablemos de eso.
¿Por qué yo no
Oh,
puedo?
te explico después del video. Pasa la página.
We're doing the same. This is stupid.
No digas eso.
We're doing the same on here, just smaller.
Ok, pasa la página. Pasa la página. Pasa la página. Okay, we
Three.
finish. Now we get the package number 3. Look like a seed. And you
It
can
does not look
move.
like a seat.
Oh yes. Okay, open the number 3.
¿Cómo? Wait, yo quiero ver ahora. ¿Dónde ve uno seat?
Here, for sit down. I don't know. For me, look like a seed.
It looks like a throne.
Wait, now we need to open number 3.
It looks like a throne.
Okay, can you put in here? Can you put there?
Now it has mega claws.
Okay. Oh,
You know what?
something else. Can you get it?
You know what? I call this is my pet now. I call him Bob. You know Bundan? You know Bundan, how he called his penguin Jerome? I call my claw pet
Nacho, el
Bob.
video está larguísimo. Hurry up.
It's 21 minutes long.
A la gente no le gustan los videos tan largos. Hurry up.
Sí, gústale.
Mira, esto, tocan esos dos.
¿Dónde?
Mira, you need to turn.
¿Y dónde? Like this?
Pasa la página. Pasa la página.
I'm seeing something.
It's 22 minutes and you don't finish. Hurry up. La gente no va a ver ese video tan largo. Muévelo.
They don't have to. They can look all over it. They never said they
How
have
many?
to.
2 of yellow? No.
Can't get the goddamn right grip on it. Finally.
Pasa la página. Pasa la página. La página. No me deja ver. 2 of this. And 2 of this. Pasa la página. No veo cuál es. No, eso no. ¿Es eso?
Sí.
You sure? Yo lo veo muy ancha.
¿Qué es it?
A ver.
What the hell is this?
No digas palabrota.
No.
Ay.
Hit me. Don't hit me.
Ay, Nelson.
Making a video. What the hell is this?
What is that? No say bad word. Okay? Dale. Mira, I bring all of this. Look like a lamb.
It really doesn't. That's
Hurry up.
haciendo algo.
El video es too long.
What? What?
Eso no queda así.
Sí.
Eso, no, mira, eso queda al revés. Esto, míralo. A ver, a ver. No, Nelson.
What? Oh, I put it in wrong. Okay.
Ok, no, 3 de estas.
Now you need 3 of those. Now you need 3 of these.
Pasa la página. Ya, pusiste los 3. No de esto. Y dos de esto. No, es este.
Es este, mijo. Mira esto.
A ver.
Oh my god.
Ah, de 4, sí.
Oh my gosh. ¿Dónde? ¿Qué pasa? Okay.
Ay, Dios mío. Usa las dos manos.
Yo no sé. ¿Qué pasa? Y yo no usé la tu mano, nada pasa.
¿Está de mismo alto?
Dos. ¿Eh?
Mira.
Oh, dos. No.
No, eran 4 ya, eran 2 y 2. Ya las pusiste las 4.
No.
No, te falta uno en cada lado.
Eh. Oh, that's why they put it in there.
Suéltala y usa las dos manos. Ya, pasa la página. Ahí está esta.
That's a big one. You need this. Very cool.
¿Y dónde están los stickers? Ah, mira los stickers allá. Mira los stickers allá.
Look, ¿por qué usé la sticker?
Mira, para que se los ponga. ¿Estás mirando?
Now you need stickers.
I can help you. I can help you.
You can put them any order you want. Trust me. Y tú mira bien.
Sí, como tú quieras.
However you want. Non-recording.
Ok, da, ahora donde vas a poner esa pieza, mira. Con los fireworks in front.
Wait, what?
Exacto.
Oh, you gotta put. Okay, now you have to put it like this.
There's, ok.
Hey, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Some hard,
Ajá.
somewhat hard, and not hard.
A ver.
Whoa. Oh. Espera.
Eso está bien. Es así, mira. Así, Nelson, mira. Ya la puse, mira.
¿Yo sabe cómo? ¿Yo sabe
Así.
cómo? ¿Yo sabe cómo? I thought you have to put a block right there. I thought you pone una pizza aquí y la rampa aquí. No sabe nada de
¿Mm? Ahora vamos a necesitar uno de estos.
De esto y uno de esto.
De esto.
What?
Mira, el largo, ese lo pones encima. Y después le pones esto en una esquina. Dale.
¿Así?
Y esto arriba. Ahora le pones estos dos arriba. Y estos dos encima. Y ahora se lo vas a poner acá arriba.
¿Así?
Sí. Ahora vamos
Do
a
it like
abrir.
this. What
Ahora,
about that?
ahora vamos a abrir el número 4.
Now, for number 4.
Todos son chiquitas.
This is a
suaves.
firework.
Okay.
Okay, now we need a ball. Now we do need a ball.
It's okay. No need the ball, Nelson. 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 I say no. Come on. We don't need it. Come on. We need to make the firework. Mira, first you need this. And this. You need to move this. Ya te hiciste la pieza. Necesitas, mira. No las armas, Nelson, tienes que armarla. Mira, tienes que armarla. Atiende. Son 2 de esas que te di
Okay.
y una de estas. Dale.
Fireworks.
¿Te ayudo?
Here's some.
Acá.
And then
The black first. This first and then the other
we
one.
need this. And then
No, mételo primero es negro.
gotta put this.
Yes,
Wow.
and este para que no se mueva, mete este.
And then put this.
Hold. Good.
And now you have woo.
Ven, vamos, vamos.
It's really cool.
Mira,
Don't break,
necesitas.
huh? Oh yes,
One.
now we're doing the firework. I've been wanting
One.
to do the fireworks for. This, it looks like a snowflake. I don't know if it is a snowflake. Wait. What? Wrong side.
Ay, Dios mío. Mira esas cositas. Deja eso ahí que no necesitas eso. Mira,
Oh.
mira la foto.
Oh. Otherwise, so you think, oh, it's the bigger into the smaller. It's smaller into the bigger. My goal at the end of the year, or my goal is 50. Trying to stream. I want to stream VR if I even can do stream VR. Oh my god, that's a lot. Boom. Bam. Bang. Boom. Bang. Bang. Last one. It looks like those.
Tienes que poner aquella.
If you understand, you understand. If you don't understand, you don't
Con esta.
understand.
Con esta.
¿Dónde?
En las puntitas, ¿no?
Oh, las puntitas. Other way. Big outside, small inside. Okay, I don't know. Here,
Eso va a enganchar aquí. Mira. Ok.
oh wait, we put the thing. We put it on wrong. Mommy, we put it on wrong. Yeah, we put it on wrong.
A ver. No, está bien.
No, it's not bien. This is sticking out forward, not to the side. It's wrong.
No, porque tú viras esto aquí.
Tú no puedes.
Sí, tú vas a virar esto solo, mira. Esta pieza sola.
Tú no puedes.
Espérate.
And don't forget
Mira.
to do it right.
Dale, vamos.
Like, gotta be forwards. Not to the side. Behind the scenes.
Es que mira, ahorita era así, mira, estaba bien de lado. Estaba bien de lado.
Sí.
¿No serás tú que la estabas poniendo mal?
Oh,
La pusiste mal, tú.
sí, he puesto mal. Oh my God. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. Keep it to the side. No, you know what's wrong? You put the thing to the side.
Ok,
That,
vale,
that
vamos.
tricked me.
Vamos a
No,
hacer
you
otro.
change it.
Vas a partir eso. Es que eso luce así, mira, para este lado y no lo es.
No, dice, it's the other way. You just.
Y esto lo pusiste mal también. Esto va para este lado. Esto va para este lado. Mira. Mira, esto, Nelson, mírame. Esto va para este lado, mira. Esto va para este lado. Para que pongas el otro fuego artificial allá. Ok.
Yo quito.
Espérate.
Yo pongo.
Fíjate.
Okay. Now, put it off to the side again. And listen to me this time. Put it to the side. And then look. You're gonna put it forwards. Like that. So damn stupid. See this?
Why you say this? Eso.
It's to the side.
Ok, vamos. Dale, que yo tengo cosas que hacer. Hurry up. Dale. Vamos a armar esto. Dale.
Okay.
Sacaste el libro, caramba. Vamos a eso. Mira. Vamos a hacer este. Deja el juego. Mira, ya te lo hice hasta ahí. Mira, ya te le puse el hielo. Sí. Dale. Ahora que hay que hacer, poner las amarillas. Arriba. Dale. Igual que el de ahorita.
Now just make the same, but with the smaller snowflake. Or not with the smaller snowflake. I'm not even sure if it's a smaller snowflake. I'm pretty sure we have to use the wands. I wish you used the wands.
Vale, ahora en este van las rosaditas primero.
I'm gonna.
Dale eso. ¡Wow! No se ve porque tienes en medio.
Look at this, guys. It's a Beyblade. Hard to see, I'll do it again. It's a Beyblade! Ah! Beyblade.
Dale, ponle
It's
estas.
really cool.
Ponle estas.
Pretty sure the other one you can spin it too if I just put it now.
No, aquí,
What?
mira. Sí, aquí.
What in the world am I looking
Dale.
at? You gotta put the ones. Well, yeah, I was right. Looks
Dale.
very good. So literally 6.
Dale, mira, ya lo pones ahí, mira. Con esto para adelante, a ver. Mira el
Ahora aquí.
No, hay que hacer algo para meterlo. Ok, hay que coger esto con dos blancos. Mira esto. Dale Nelson, haz esto. Nelson, por favor. Ah, no, esto es para aquí adelante. Espérate, esto se pone aquí, ahí atrás, así. A ver. Pero ¿cómo si esto no cabe aquí? Fíjate. Ay, Dios mío santo, mira. No, eso no es para ahí, eso no es para ahí. Eso lo pones allá. Suelta. Put here.
Here. And now, behind the scenes.
Dale tu cuerpo. Dale, pon este adelante. Eso, por amor de Dios. Deja juego. Eso, ponlo ahí adelante.
Okay, where do I put it? ¿Dónde? Oh, put this right here.
Mira. Eso. Mira, niño, ¿atiendes? Pon eso, mira, aquí, ahí. No lo aprietes tanto. Entonces quedó así, mira. Y ahora lo pones así, mira. Bien, atiende. Ahora esto va así, ¿eh? Aquí así. Ok.
Hey,
Aquí con ella
we
aquí.
did it!
Y está aquí tirando
45
pictures. Vamos a sacar más esto. You like it, guys? If you like more videos like this, please follow Nelson. No, what is your name?
Subscribe to me. And if you like it, if you like this, I don't know.
Subscribe for see more video like this, okay?
Mm.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Tomorrow back to school. Be good boys.